Hi guys, and welcome back to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. To start, open your CapCut application in your mobile device. Once in CapCut, tap on New Project, and then in here, open the video which says TikTok video resolution not supported. Once you find the video, add this to your project in CapCut. In here, once you are going to be uploading it or rendering it on the upper right, follow the settings on my screen. On resolution, let's have it to 2K or 4K. Then export it once again on the upper right. Now wait for CapCut to finish exporting the image or video. Once done, click on the button that says Share to TikTok. Click Open on the pop-up. Once on TikTok, post it as is. As you can see, TikTok is now accepting our new video. In here, click on the three circles in the right corner. And then in here, you can even add effects if you wanted to, depending on your preference. Once satisfied with the edit, you can now post this one as is, as a regular video post over at TikTok. Then, you can add now the captions or anything description, then click on post. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.